Hello friends, what's up? I'm just gonna give you a quick unboxing video of my new iPhone 8 Plus product Red 64 gigs version which I got yesterday. I got this phone from Extra, as you might be knowing who live in Saudi Arabia, in any city of Saudi Arabia. They know what is Extra. I'll not disclose the price of this phone because you can search it for yourself. This is quite a product and I was waiting for this mobile for a very long time. As you can see the box, and I have unboxed it before, but this is just for a review kind of, so this is the thing. As usual, some Apple stickers. There is a product Red card, something is written on it, in partnership with Red Apple. I don't know if you can see it. Actually, this Red is Apple will contribute a portion of your iPhone purchase to the Global Fund to support HIV/AIDS program and help deliver AIDS-free generation. We don't know what portion Apple is going to donate, but for sure they are going to donate some part. Anyways, it's a good cause for a good cause. As usual, nothing new or something, just like the iPhone 8 Plus. There's a SIM ejector tool, 2 Apple stickers. I wish it would have been red stickers to suit the mobile. Last year the iPhone 7 Plus was launched, this product Red one. I didn't like it much because it had a white front, sorry. But this one is a killer, As you can see, this is the product Red, and it has a glass back, so the red is so vivid, you'll just love it. And see, front is black. You cannot see the bezels until the phone is switched on, the screen is on. I think this is the best looking iPhone to date. Trust me guys, iPhone 10 is fine, but I didn't really like it because of the fingerprint issue. Like, there is no fingerprint in iPhone 10, so I was not willing to purchase that mobile. But this one, I really love it. As you might be knowing, there is a A11 Bionic chip. It's a really fast mobile compared to the 7 or 6S or 6. You can say it's extremely fast. There is dual camera, and one camera has an optical image stabilization and so on and so forth, as you might be knowing. So this is just a video to show you the color of this phone. I don't know if you can see it. I wish I would have shown you the exact shade what I'm getting right now to my eyes, but I cannot show it in this video apparently. So that's it, and I got some speaking cases. I'll show you it in just a time. Just a minute. Okay, this is the charging brick, usual iPhone headphones, and the headphone jack, the charging cable. It's pretty much the same like the other iPhones, nothing new, just the color is new, that's all. I would suggest that if someone is willing to buy an iPhone with fingerprint sensor, then this is the best phone to buy right now. And trust me guys, this is the best looking iPhone to date, trust me. I got some Spigen cases. I think this is the best Spigen case for this color because it is ultra hybrid for 7 Plus, but doesn't matter, it's all the same. The best part about this case is transparent glass, it's like a fiber sheet or something. The best part about this case, I'll show you, is that you can see the color of your phone. See, I got it from Jarir for like 100 riyals. This is the case for iPhone Red. If you have an iPhone Red and if you want to show up the color, this vivid color, trust me, you have to get this case. This has a lot of protection on the curves, and everything is fine with this case. That's what I'd say. Okay, then that's it. I hope you liked my video. For anything else, if you have any questions for me, you can comment. Okay, thank you. Bye, ma salama.